Running one hospital is hard. Running 5? That's a full-time mess without full-time control. Helixdoc brings every hospital, every specialty, every lead under one roof. Finally, leads get captured, assigned, confirmed. No more paper registers, no more crossed wires. Want to promote your ortho camp or launch a diabetes drive across cities? Just schedule, and Helixdoc handles the rest. Teleconsults, check-ins, payments, they're all connected. And yes, they roll up neatly to your head office. See revenue by doctor. Spot which branch is slipping. Find the bottlenecks before they cost you. And unlike those platforms with surprise charges, our pricing transparent, flat, and made for real healthcare. So, ready to stop micromanaging and start scaling smart? Let's talk.